Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to a DaVinci Resolve tutorial on how to add presets. First things first, if you guys just want to leave a like and comment down below for me for the algorithm, I would really appreciate it. If I was looking online and a lot of the presets were like not available for free for download. So I don't have any on this PC, but I'm going to show you how to go ahead and add them still. So all you want to go ahead and do is find on your computer where the preset is. You have to make sure that it's a DaVinci Resolve file for the preset. And then once you go ahead and double click it, it's going to open up your project manager. For me, this is going to go ahead and I already have that project open, but instead of already opening it up for me because it's on my computer, it's going to say install preset, and you just want to press OK, and then it's going to go ahead and install the preset onto your DaVinci Resolve. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, make sure to put them down below. But other than that, it's been a DaVinci Resolve tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.